Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 15th of June. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the technicals, looking at the charts on the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. What we'll see is that the New Zealand dollar's had a very strong run recently. It's got to the uptrend of a weekly downtrend, and some consolidation should be expected, but there is support to the downside. Now here we have the daily, so each candle represents 1 day's trade. You can see that today we've had a consolidation, a red candle taken us back down to where we were a couple of days ago. What you can see is that we did reach, as we went above the 73, the market became overbought. The RSI went well above 70 and was indicative of a market that was overextended and were well away from the moving averages. So we've had a consolidation. Really, one would expect the consolidation to continue. There is good support on the downside down below 72 in the range of 72 to 71.50, and then the 20-day moving average would give support at 71.20. Do note that the 20-day did cross the 50-day moving average in an upward momentum on the 2nd of June. That was a golden cross and therefore bodes well for the medium-term picture. Looking at the RSI, you can see that we were overbought, but we were showing very strong momentum with an uptrend. That uptrend has been broken, so expect further consolidation on the RSI, and the MACD are now converging and look like they're going to flatline. If you look at the weekly charts, you can see I've drawn this downtrend, which is through the highs of the week of the 5th of September from last year and the high of 6th of February from this year. We did go above that early this week, but we've come down. So that trend line is a key influence on the market, presently at 72.87. On any further consolidation, one would see the supports coming in from the rise in moving averages. We've got the 50 at 71.14. Here the RSI is indicative of positive momentum, and actually there's a positive momentum signal coming through from the MACD as well. So despite being at the top of the trend, the momentum indicators are still positive. On the short term, this is the 4-hour chart. You can see that we've pulled back into support, and the support goes down to around about the 71.80 level. Then the next level of support below there is 71.40, but you can see that immediately we're getting support from the 24-hour moving average, which is at 72.26, and then we're going to get support from the 54-hour average at 72. The picture, if we do get a consolidation around this support, could then be indicative of a head and shoulders, so be aware of that, but we're talking a few days trading away from that picture. The MACD here is negative, showing negative momentum, and is back below 50 at 49, and the MACD on the short term are just starting to indicate a sell signal, so it does look like we probably will come back and test the support at 71.80. And looking at the support to resistance levels, we've got resistance 2 at 73.34, 1 at 73.20, with support 71.26, and at the 20-day 71.19. So that has been TA for Traders, having a look at the key indicators from the charts on the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Just to clarify, the key points are that it's slightly overbought. It does have good supports. There's positive momentum being shown on the daily. However, the weekly is in a downtrend, or the top of the downtrend, but has support from the moving averages. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please, if you're not a subscriber, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll then get email updates when I do new videos. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are my opinions, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.